Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Just giving you some information about an incident where it is said that a 15-year-old boy had been shot and killed in Manchester, Jamaica. Now, according to information that I got, it is said that a 15-year-old boy was shot and killed in Turnatop district in Manchester, Jamaica last night. And today is the 3rd of July, the year 2022. So, according to information that I got, it is said that the 15-year-old boy who had been shot and killed goes by the last name of Sinclair. It is said that he is also known as Jay, and it is said that he's a student of a school that is located within the parish. It is said that the incident happened sometime before or after 9 p.m. on the 2nd of July, the year 2022. Now, information as to how the young man had been shot and killed are somewhat sketchy because I got more than one unconfirmed information as to how the young man lost his life. Allegedly, it is said that the teen had been shot and killed during a robbery that happened at the premises where the teen lived. I got one unconfirmed information that the young man allegedly was at his home when he heard a scream and he went to investigate, and that's when he had been shot by a gunman. I also got another unconfirmed information that allegedly a person was being attacked by a gunman or gunmen at the premises where the teen lived, and that the teen somehow heard noise that was coming from a certain part of the premises and went to see what was going on, and that's when the teen allegedly had been shot and killed. You see? I'm not sure which one of these information are accurate, viewers and subscribers. You understand? See, I'm not even sure if any of these information are accurate. You see? I also got information that mentioned the mother of the teen who died. The killing of the teen raises concerns among residents within the community, viewers and subscribers. It is said that a person who goes by the name of Omar Robinson, who is said to be counselor caretaker for the Alligator Pond Division, condemned the teen's murder. There are also pictures circulating on social media that shows the teen who had been shot and killed. Alright, so I'm just giving you information according to I got information. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.